Hello traders, and welcome to VantagePoint Trading Journal for today, Monday, July 2nd, 2018. How you doing? Happy July and happy early 4th of July. We're going to show you how VantagePoint's been forecasting market movements and show you what you need to pay attention to today. All right, I am focusing on Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. And what we're seeing here is, in general, just a lack of continued bearish momentum. As you can see how these lows have essentially been put in 4 times in the last 5 days. Looking back a little bit further in time, you can see that these are lows that we haven't seen since early May. And so I'm playing this not necessarily as a bullish play, but as a neutral to non-bearish play. Let's get back to a 1 month time frame so you can see that okay. And what I'm looking at is we have the neural index that goes from the red here to the green. We have the bullish crossover with the blue predictive line crossing the red simple moving average. And we have the, usually we use this as an indicator, but because I'm not using this as a absolute bullish move to the upside in a binary sense, the fact that this isn't all that bearish is helpful. And then also Nvidia is actually up about 1% on the day. Bring these fresh quotes up. Yeah, it's up a little bit over 1% on the day, trading right around the 239.5 line. So that this is actually for tomorrow is going to be looking much better. So what I would want to consider is the July 13th, the 232F 235 put spread. We're trying to sell it for 80 to 85 cents. If we get it for 85 cents, the most we can profit is the credit that we received, and the most we risk is the width of the spread less any premium collected. So my max reward is 85 cents. My max risk is $1.65. That means that if I sell this thing for 85 cents, I am laying odds of 1.94 to 1. So that is the play that we have for early this week in this shortened holiday weekend. I will talk to you later on in the week, but enjoy your holiday week, and we will just talk to you later on in the week. Thanks a lot, everybody. Bye.